Fliki AI offers an AI avatar generator as part of their text-to-video creation suite. Here's a breakdown of what you can do with it. You can use the link in the description to try out this feature. Using Fliki AI's avatar generator, you can start with a script, blog post, or even just ideas you want to turn into a video. Fliki boasts a large library of AI voices in over 75 languages, allowing you to personalize the narrator for your video. There are 3 ways to select an avatar for your video. Use one from Fliki's collection of stock avatars. Upload your own image and create a custom avatar. Generate a unique avatar based on a text description using Fliki's AI generation. You can fine-tune the look of your avatar, including its position, size, and transparency. Fliki also allows you to add animations like fade, zoom, slide, and rotate. Once you're happy with your video, you can preview it before hitting generate. Creating an avatar video consumes credits, so be sure to confirm before finalizing. They do have a free plan that lets you explore the platform's basic functionalities. This might be enough to get a feel for the interface and avatar selection process. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Fliki AI's avatar generator.